Well, hello again, folks. So I created another project for myself because I decided, and this is something that needed to be done a long time ago, was to give us more water access on the back side of the house. So this is a spot where the water line comes through one part of the house, and then it just traveled on around and goes into the house back there. So since we're digging and everything, I said, I need to go ahead and get us water. So now I have a water supply line that goes out to the yard, and eventually I'll do, be able to do some other stuff with it, run a line out to the pasture and all that good stuff. And I also added a cutoff for the rest of the house. Because as it is, if we need to cut the water off inside the house, we have to go in underneath the in the cellar. So anyway, so I was out here doing this, and when I was attempting to glue these pieces in where I had cut them, well, I had a piece, the pipe broke. Okay, and so this is the piece that broke. All right. So it was about 8 o'clock, and I ran up to Lowe's, got a slip fix, and put in a slip fix, and it was leaking. It was leaking from the actual slip part, which is right here. So this part slides in and out, and it's supposed to make it so that you can just cut out a section of damaged pipe, glue it in one end, then pull it over to the other and glue it to the other side, and then that's supposed to be your fix. Well, I had a slow drip, and a slow drip it's unacceptable. So called up someone I know who's a plumber and asked him what the better thing to do was, and he said 4 elbows. And he said all the joints are glued, and it just works. It's just proven. So future reference, if you ever need to cut out a damaged piece of pipe, instead of trying to force it into a T, where you're going to be flexing the pipe and potentially breaking it, well, don't do that, and don't use a slip fix. Just do this. Just measure your distance, get you 2 elbows pointed one direction. Make sure that they are square with each other, and then measure that distance between 2 more elbows and install them square with each other. And you can do this to where basically you build it going in one direction, and then you just slip it on. And that's what I did, and it's working. And so anyways, so for future reference, for anyone else out there who runs into a water line repair, this is a better way to do it, not with a slip fix. Do not use that. Do not use a compression fitting. That stuff is for landscapers who need to fix a pipe real fast, and then they're going to bury it and never look at it again. And it will be 10 years before someone realizes that there's been a slow drip. And that guy who did the repair will be long forgotten. So anyways, thanks for joining me here, and y'all have a great day.